What's the most bizarre house rule you've encountered at someone else's home? 1. The most bizarre house rule that I've encountered was at my friend's place, where they had a strict policy of no talking during dinner, not because of any traditional reason but because their elderly grandmother believed that a mischievous spirit living in the dining room would learn secrets and cause chaos. 2. I cannot sit on the couch at my dad's house if his wife is home because she will feel invaded. She has to have the whole couch to herself, so I get to sit in a dining room table chair. 3. Playing beer pong at this one couple's house, and the rule was if the ball hit the floor and their cat got to it first, everyone had to finish their drinks. Cat was wicked fast too. 4. If we slammed the door as kids, my dad made us kiss the door to make it feel better. 5. Once stayed at a relative's place where they had a strict no radio waves after dark rule. Post-sunset Wi-Fi was shut down, phones were powered off, and even the microwave was a no-go zone. They believed that radio waves interfered with sweet dreams. The first night I was there I felt like I time traveled to a pre-internet era. 6.